In this video, I'm going to show you how to use virtual camera on OBS Studio. So using your OBS Studio virtual camera, you will be able to use the virtual camera on Facebook Live, on Twitch, on Discord, or any other platform. So first of all, go to your OBS and under sources, click on this plus icon and here select video capture device and click on OK. Now click on device drop down and here select your video camera. Don't select here OBS virtual camera, select your video camera here. So as you can see, I've successfully added my dummy webcam on my OBS. And now just click on start virtual camera and then I'm going to my Discord. If you want to use your OBS virtual camera to your Facebook, just go ahead and open the platform. So from Discord, I'm clicking on user settings and here scrolling down and selecting voice and video, selecting video, and here camera, clicking on this drop down and selecting OBS virtual camera, then clicking on test video. And as you can see, my OBS virtual camera is now showing on my Discord. And now you can just go ahead and use your OBS virtual camera on any social media platforms.